My dear students, in this series of internet, today we will talk about internet part 2, that is related to websites. This is very important part of internet. This session is very useful for students of management courses like BBA, MBA, MTM, MA in tourism, hospitality and hotel management courses, and for the students of event, cargo and logistics management. After completing this session, you will have complete idea about the usage of website in business. This lecture is designed keeping in mind management orientation of students. So it's not a technical lecture. For this session, you can refer few books. Internet for Dummies, that is a popular series. Book authored by Gary Inkpen, that is IT for Tourism. Book written by Mr. Oliana Poon, Tourism Strategies. Book is published by CAB International, United Kingdom. Book on Business on the Net by Agarwal et al. Book by Dr. Saurabh Dikshit, that is IT in Tourism, published by APH Publishing Corporation, New Delhi, and many other popular resources. Students, now let us start our discussion over website. As I told you in the last session, website is a popular medium for any business over internet. Website is collection of information. Website is some space in cyber world which is saved by a particular name. That name is known as domain name. There are few services on internet like Gopher and FileShare. We are not going to talk about these services in this lecture. As you can see in this diagram, websites are connected with each other. Actually, in the internet, cyberspace is there. Each in cyberspace there are many servers. Servers are having space, and in this space many websites are stored and connected with each other. First of all, let us start our discussion with domain name. What is domain name? As you can see on the screen, there is a website address www.iittm.ac.in. Here in this domain name, www is a world wide web. It means that there is a global web of space. That is why it is known as World Wide Web. IITTM is the name of website or primary name or basic name of the website. By this name, space is secured. AC means this website is academic in nature, this organization is academic in nature, and .in means this organization is located or related to India. When you will put this domain name in the search engine or browser, HTTP will be added in the website address. So we can say that complete website address is http://www.iittm.ac.in. So in a website you will find name of the website. This name should be simple in nature, easy to pronounce in all languages in the world. For example, all good websites like Yahoo, Google, Gmail, YouTube are having very simple names. Name should be short, sweet, simple, with few characters only, and not like password which you are designing, which you are keeping at many places. Website must be based on the data which is not patented by others, not copyrighted by others, and it should not be controversial. If you are using any word which is over popular, you can make little changes. What we have to secure in the website? In the website we can go for security of name of the website. Content should be secure. Keywords are words helping us to popularize the website should be secure. Design of the website should be secure. We can design layout meticulously and make it secure. Color scheme should be good, and there should be proper coding to make the website secure. Let us discuss one by one. Please do not copy content from any popular resource. Try to design your original content. Try to devise popular keywords may help you in the development of website. Come out with original design. Design layout on your own, keeping in mind viability of application area, title bar, bottom bar, buttons, etc. Choose simple colors, not choose very dark colors, pinching colors. When you will go through popular websites of the world, you will find that colors are very simple. And as far as coding part is concerned, coding part is the technical part. What is not required to be patent? URL is a numeric thing. For that, you have to book your URL or domain name. Language of the website should be simple. Website extensions are many, like .gov for government websites. All government departments are used to choose or select .gov extension. .edu is educational website. .mil is website for military establishments. .com is selected by or kept by commercial organizations. .co is kept by companies. .org by organizations. .ac is academic website, and extension for countries are like US, India, Canada, Macau and UK. So USA, extension of USA is .us. So here is one task for you. Remember extension of major tourist countries, or remember extension of major countries from where we are exporting or to where we are importing. Website contain HTTP, and your website should be a secure website. You should know how complete website address is designed. In any website, content is there, hotspots and active areas or active words are there. In a website, there is a place known as application area. Normally, content is placed in application area. I told you about color scheme. I told you about words and keywords, and navigation on a page, that is intra page and inter page navigation, should be very simple. A good website have less time to locate particular data, less time to open, less time to reach at desired information. Website is used to display information. Website is used to calculate airfares if you are working in a travel agency. Website is used to compare hotel rates. Website is used to compare prices of mobile phone and tablets. Whenever I used to purchase a new mobile phone, I use one popular website to compare features and prices. Websites are used to distribute hotel rooms, air seats, train seats. Websites are used for mix and match to come out with permutation and combinations of questions designed by the examiner. So by a set of questions he can come out with multiple copies not resembling with each other. Websites are used for survey. Websites are used like a notice board. Websites are used to show live status of train, flight, cruise services. Websites are used to activate location like alumni on the map. So you can create an active map by using a good website to convert currency. If you are creating a good map of alumni members with the help of a website, and if you are going to Delhi, immediately you will find out how many alumni members are located in Delhi. That is the advantage of having using website for alumni members. In any website, when you will open, automatically hash index will come. So that is the basic link for any website in the world. Home page is there. Home page is the first page which is seen by the users, or you can say that gateway to other pages. Page layout is there. Titles and subtitles are there. Buttons are used to select many other locations in the website. Title bar is used to tell name of the organization. Like in the website of IITTN, you will find name of the IITTN, campuses, locations in the title bar. Lower panel is used for disclaimer, copyright information, address and contacts, etc. Websites you can design free of cost also by drag and drop services. You must have your website so that you can use it like your biodata or CV or resume. Websites are normally designed in HTML, HTML5, languages like Java, tools like Photoshop, Dreamweaver and Flash, Joomla, and website for website designing. Many websites are having templates and they help to design websites. What you can do using a website, you can have your CV, curriculum vitae by using website. You can come out with your profile by using website. Important links you can create and you can put your mark sheet, award sheet, video and feedback by using website. Websites are used like digital locker. It means that all your important documents you can keep in website. Whenever you are going for admission or selection or interview, you can show your mark sheet using digital locker. It's handy thing, it's long lasting and no need to carry mark sheet. So website is a very important tool. Now let us talk how to manage a website. First of all, you have to register the domain name and pay server charges for the website. Normally charges are annual in nature. You have to pay designer's fee, the person who is helping you to design the website, and marketing charges are there. There are many websites like IRCTC. So IRCTC website is a combined effort of Indian Railways, IRCTC, security company, credit card company, bank and UPIs. It means that a commercial websites are created by many parties, implemented by many parties, expedited by many parties. Few companies they have their in-house facility to develop a website, and other companies they syndicate with other organizations to develop the website. It means that organization is having the rights of website, it's their website, but that website is created and maintained by some outside company. As I told you in the previous slide, HTML, HTML5, Java and many other tools are used to design a website. Now let us talk about interesting data related to website. IRCTC, State Bank of India and share market related sites are busiest sites in India. There are 6.91 lakh websites in India. That is the estimated figure, it keeps on changing, just indicative only. There are about 1 billion websites in the world. Now you have one task, you can find out 10 best websites in the country. Search engines, internet browser and encyclopedia are important popular forms of websites. Websites are used to collect data, Google form, through cookies. Whenever you will open any app in your mobile or website in your mobile, company might be asking for permissions. That is the reason why Government of India banned few websites in the country. If you have any question, please do not forget to ask question. Please put it in the comment box. How to come out with a secure website? For this you can create one list of variables like name, content, keyword, design, layout, color scheme, coding and security analysis. You can assign ranking according to the security and then you can find out summation of that. That summation will indicate kind of website is there. In a website we can talk about technical security which are related to malware hacking, and we can talk about security of content or design security. Thank you.